What's going on, everybody? Today we're coming to you from Winthrop, Washington for an episode of Finding the Fun. Today we're headed up to Patterson Lake. It's a little offshoot and it summits at this lodge called Sun Mountain, and I scouted out the road last night and it looked really good. Now we're just gonna go hit it. We start off on Twin Lakes Road, passing through some farmland on the hillside. Not much in the ways of corners until we make this turn off towards Sun Mountain Lodge and we start heading uphill. The road is ideal because there's such little traffic on it. Besides the people that live on the farmland, the only traffic is really from the lodge at the top of the hill. The road starts pointing more uphill, which makes for more dynamic corners and on-throttle fun, but the hillside blocks your sight line around most of these corners, so exercise some caution because there very easily could be a slow-moving trailer or farm animal on the road. The corners are well signed for the recommended speed, which can instill some confidence to not overcook the corner. And just some farm country things. Approaching Patterson Lake, the road has a couple blind crests to watch out for. And paralleling the lake, the section of road has some of the best twists and curves. One corner to watch out for or thoroughly enjoy is the tight U-turn at the end of the lake. The road steepens, leaving the lake as we approach the summit. From here on out, the road turns into more of a service road with a bit of dirt and debris and lack of centerline. Not exactly ideal for sporting. Before you know it, you have some great views though. Thanks for coming along for Finding the Fun. If you're ever out in the Washington, Okanagan area near Winthrop, this is a great detour to go for. Just search for Sun Mountain Lodge and you'll see where it is, and you're gonna climb that hill, Patterson Lake Road. It's a great ride. The concrete's in good condition. The corners are well marked. It's a not heavily trafficked road. Highly, highly recommend you come ride it if you come out here. As always, thanks for watching and thanks for coming along for Finding the Fun. Smash like and subscribe button down below. And as always, have a good day.